Hi, and welcome to the Novel Suite video tutorial series, created to help you get the most out of Novel Suite. In this video, we're looking at using writing templates. Let's get started.
Templates help with planning and reference when writing your novel. Select Writing Templates from the menu on the left side or from the Writing Templates module on the home page. Select the template you would like to use, choosing from Starting Out, Structure, Events, Settings, Scenes, and Synopsis. Let's take a look at the Events template. Give the template a title and select the book it relates to. Fill out the relevant information and click Save Changes. The details are now saved in your list of templates. To access this information at any time, simply select My Saved Templates under the Writing Templates heading. Then choose your book.
Thank you so much for watching, and check out our other tutorials if you want to learn even more about how to use Novel Suite.